This car just melted my heart when I seen it. I'm a sucker for this blue. It has white interior. It's just a gorgeous 67 Camaro Rally Sport, built 350, posi rear end, frame off restored 832 miles ago. I was at a car show out of state, and I negotiated for 2 days to buy this car. And when I say I negotiated, I meant I had to just keep raising my offer until he accepted it. But I knew I just had to have this car. The quality's there, the colors are killer. Go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all about it. Look at pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find a price tag on every car we have for sale, along with the monthly finance option. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. And we also have a Buy It Now button. That just locks it in for you. I can't tell you how many times people miss a car and then they kick themselves. That locks it in while you're thinking, talking to the salesman. But the car is gorgeous. The body is beautiful. It's got a cowl hood. It's got spoilers. Let's check it out. The roof is absolutely straight. I'm looking in the reflection and it's wonderful. No issues here. This quarter panel is clean all the way to the bottom. Clean right around the wheel well. The bottom's clean and it's straight. There's no issues. All lines up beautifully. This is straight. Spoiler, tail panel, all looking fantastic. This sail panel is no issues. Straight, clean, nice body. The door opens so easy. Look at that. Let's see if I can do it with my pinky. Not quite with my pinky, but one finger. Clean all the way at the bottom. Lines up properly. No dings or dents. Front fender's all clean. The hood fits nice. It's a metal cowl hood. All real nice. Painted deep water blue. This is the original color the car was born with. It's a gorgeous color. You rarely see it. Painted on a stripe around the nose of it. It is a genuine rally sport, which mostly consists of the hideaway lights. They're electric motors. They do work. We'll demonstrate that towards the end. It was born a rally sport. In 1967, the tag will tell you that. The paint's beautiful. I'd like to say flawless because I haven't seen a flaw yet, but I won't because I'm sure there are some flaws. I'm sure we could nitpick something, but the paint is killer. Real nice metal flake. It's laid out evenly. It's all one color. It's polished like glass. The glass, speaking of glass, is all new, and it's a smoked glass. It's not a stick-on tint. This is actual smoked glass, all been replaced. All the chrome, the fuzzy window strips, the rubber seals, the stainless moldings, all look like they've been replaced. Emblems, taillights, gas cap, bumper, all been replaced. It's sitting on some rally wheels. I noticed they're wider in back. They're 15-inch. Probably 15 by 8 in back, 15 by 7 in front, wrapped with some Cooper tires, has a stance to it. The Rally Sport also includes the rocker moldings along the bottom, and the reverse lights should be relocated. Yeah, they're down below the bumper on a Rally Sport. So I think that just about buttons up the outside. Let's see what it looks like inside. What a nice car. It just continues right inside the trunk here. Painted beautifully. It's got a new sticker, new stainless bolts. The jam is slick. Weather strip is replaced. So it's clean and it's complete. We have the spare. It's a rally wheel. Got the jack assembly. I don't know if it's new or restored. Even has a lug wrench. New matte tire cover. Insulation behind the seat. So clean and complete. The rubber around the vent windows are new. The mirrors have the little bow tie. Jams are painted nice. Weather strips replaced. Door panels, armrests, window cranks look new. The metal trim inside the car is painted to match the outside. I think they replaced the knobs, the dash pad. just a little light wear right here. The rest of this looks like new. Heater controls must be new. They slide real nice. It's a digital retro stereo. This is painted nicely. Got reproduction floor mats on new carpet. Center console's in real nice shape. Got all the seat belts. The seats feel like they have new cushions in them as well, and they've been reupholstered. Back of the seat's real nice. Everything back here looks great. The light works. Got the seat belts, the upholstery. 6x9 speakers in the back with one of those little hidden antennas. There's no antenna on the fender. Excuse me. Headliner. Actually, one of the bow should be attached. I don't know if we can do that or not. We'll check with the upholstery guy, but it's new. Visors are new. Mirror is new. And then it has this wood grain deluxe steering wheel. Also looks new. So the motor is a 350. I was told it's 360 horsepower. It's got a hot little cam. It has aluminum heads, aluminum intake, a dual feed Holley carb. It has the cowl induction hood and the air cleaner. There's an HEI ignition hiding back there, and there's a set of headers. The engine bay is all nicely painted and clean. The alternator looks new, the fuel pump. All the pulleys look real good. The fan shroud, the radiator, all look new. Sorry. It has power steering, power brakes. Steering box looks new. Oh, sorry, got a frog in my throat. Wiring looks new too. Yeah, that's a good sounding 350. Show you that the headlights work. So it was body off the frame restored. Everything underneath was removed. The suspension front and back was all rebuilt. The steering's all rebuilt. It has frame connectors front to back to prevent body twists. Makes the car handle better. Disc brake upgrade in front. Everything looks new. All the lines, hoses, e-brakes hooked up. Fuel tank looks clean. Has a nice sounding dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers under there. You look up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange. Starter looks new. Turbo 350 automatic looks fresh. It's a 10-bolt rear end with a 373 posi gear in there. Floors are super nice and clean. They've been prepped and painted, so it's a really nice car underneath as well. Go to volocars.com where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, how to get it to your door, how to get it financed. You might want to click the Buy It Now button if you're really thinking about it. Also, go to our YouTube channel, click the subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.